Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Angel Sanchez, and today let's talk about how we can use these two words, the word can and can't. For to explain this word, we need to know how is the meaning. This word we use for to explain any skill or if any person can to be able to, yeah. And so for to say any pronunciation for these two words, we need to let's start with this letter, yeah. With this letter, the pronunciation with this word is can, yeah. Now, the next word is the negative. It's the similar, but it's negative. Positive, negative. Now, with this word, we need to say can't, yeah? And so, with this word, it's more different because the tongue and the word, we need to open your mouth, yeah? Let's do one more time. Can, can't, can, can't, can, can't. Now, let's do an example. I can do it. I can do it. If negative this example, we say I can't do it. I can't do it. Now, here we have a different verbs and here we have different subjects. We do an example. I can drive. I can drive. At the first negative. I can't drive. And with this, different subjects too. She can't drive. She can't drive. And so, they can't sleep. It's important we need to differentiate these two words. Thank you for your attention. Now let's continue with others. With other words, this word have a similar problem because the pronunciation is similar and the students of people when pronouncing this word sometimes we can listen the difference. And so today let's see how is it correctly pronounced. Ready? And so we have two words. The first word is his. The second word is his. Yeah? And so let's see in this video I pronounce some sentence when you can see and you can listen how is the pronunciation with this letter. His. His name's Peter. His name's Peter. His cat is sweet. His cat is sweet. His friends are good. His friends are good. And the last one, his wife is angry. His wife is angry. Now, let's check how is the pronunciation with this word. His. His. What is the difference between those words? Because my mouth is more open. Look at his, his, his. And so let's pronounce it. His Peter. His Peter. He's a teacher. He's a teacher. He's my brother. He's my brother. He is driving a red car. He is driving a red car. And so, remember, his, his, his. I hope this video can you help for to better in pronouncing. Thank you.